Here we are at the 17th annual Dulles Airport Airplane Pull, and Gordon Biersch is here to represent. Gordon Biersch, Gordon Biersch, our fearless leader. Gordon Biersch. Do you have beer in your water bottle? Put it in your water bottle. We've got people from 3 different Gordon Biersch restaurants in the area: Washington, D.C., Rockville, and Tyson's Corner. And we are here to pull an airplane.
Catch the mist, catch the myth, catch the mystery, catch the drift. Maybe I see skies are white. The days Tom Sawyer, he gets higher on you, and the space age
Kills the slip. What's your name, ma'am?
Rachel.
Why are you here today?
To pull a plane.
Who are you pulling it for?
Well, Gordon Biersch.
Woohoo!
But for Special Olympics.
Awesome.
In the last 17 years, we've been able to raise a total of $1.5 million during this plane-full event for Special Olympics.
Hello, Gordon Biersch. So here's the plane that will be pulling today, 140,000 pounds. And that's why we have asked a few of the Navy SEALs to join us here today. We are still waiting for their arrival, because there's no way we're going to be able to pull it by ourselves. Gordon Biersch, have you been here before? It's too late for garlic fries. And of course, this is a competition today, so the team that pulls the plane the fastest, I'm assuming, wins one of these lovely trophies. This is sponsored by FedEx today.
Okay. Alright, we're going to push that plane back. Give you an idea, that little pushback weighs roughly over 120 pounds.
We can do this!
The tires in the pushback are filled with solid rubber.
How many people do we have today pulling?
Too heavy.
Actually, currently right now, we've only got 17.
17.
We're waiting for 3 more Navy guys.
Waiting for our 3 Navy SEAls to show up.
They're going to line us up. They've got all these little tricks that they know, so they're going to teach us.
When we get lined up, a few tricks we're going to need. Get lined up, we're going to twist the rope. Okay? All twist together.
Alrighty, our friends, Ed Gordon this year. Gordon this year, are you here?
Gordon Biersch.
The Gordon team?
As far forward.
We're going to push the plane back. Stay right there. We're going to push the plane back, and we'll bring you out in a minute. We'll be repositioning the plane.
We'll be squared up with the plane.
Again, a reminder, this is an Airbus 310.
Start leaning back.
Weighs approximately 180,000 pounds at this moment. That is not what we call very light.
You'll feel the slack coming out of the rope. It's going to straighten back, and then start chopping your feet. You'll all lean and chop together, all at the same time. Chop your feet. And you want to stay low.
25 people on that rope. Gordon, you have 25? 15 so far. You're not gonna. Yeah, we get us some more bodies on there. You can twist the hell out of that rope. Honestly, if you think you can stretch it, be my guest. That's what we tie up battleships with. You can twist it all you want. It ain't gonna stretch. Think about it. You're twisting a rope and the plane weighs 180,000 pounds. The rope's going like, no, you're not. Oh, that's strategy. Ah. Move the plane. See how much strategy you got. Are you guys ready? Are you all ready? Are you leaning in? Are you ready? We're ready to go? All right, we're going to give you the count. 1, 2, 3, move that plane. Oh, look at this. Look at this. They actually got it moved. And then that was it. As we left off on our exciting story, Gordon Biersch was still hanging in there. Okay, let's do a reset on that one. Let's do a reset. That plane looks, yeah, I know. That plane's pretty heavy, isn't it? He's going to put the big guy at the end there with the rope wrapped around him. Yeah, there you go. Just tell him to sit down. Sit down. You guys think you're going to handle it? Are you ready to do it again? Are we ready again? Stay low. Use your legs. 1, 2, 3, pull. All right, the plane move for a moment. Use your legs. 1, 2, 3, pull. 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 Come on, dear. Come on, move that plane. All right, I reset. One more chance at it. Would you like some help? All right. I would like to have. What team is back here in the corner? Give me five of your strongest people on the end of that rope there. Here we go. We're bringing in some weight here for you. Hey, come on, get in here. All right, you got some help now. All right. All right, you're good. You're good. There you go. Okay. Get the rope stretched out. Don't ball it up now. Spread out. Let's get stretched out. Don't fall over the rope. Are you ready with the new team? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Pull. The plane's moving. Come on, the plane's moving. Don't quit. Get down low. Oh, man, come on. Move the plane, move the plane. Give me 5 more people from the other team. 5 more people on the other rope. I sound like an auctioneer. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5 more. 5 more. 5 more. Pull on the rope. Pull on the rope. 5 more. 5 more. 5 more. And pull again. Pull again. Here we go. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Come on. 5 more. Pull. Think we're gonna let the brakes off? Pull. Come on. Eve. Eve. You're moving it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Pull together. Pull together. There it is. It's moving now. 1, 2, 3. Pull again. And pull. These boys.
What are y'all doing back there?
Oh boy, that plane's heavy, isn't it?
Give me a pushback. Give me a pushback.
Okay, so much for that one. Gordon was going like, damn, that's heavy. Alrighty, well that's what we call that was a tough one. Why don't you take them over to the wing for their team photo for the autopsy?